y'all! So today we're going to be doing an all-natural aloe vera face mask. And the details are it's 100% natural. It's cooling on your face. It gets rid of acne. It's easy to do at home. It's cheap and it's definitely kid-friendly. The recipe today is going to be 1 tablespoon of aloe vera and 1.5 tablespoons of honey. And then the directions are you're going to cut a piece of aloe and the edges are very sharp, so be careful of that. And then you're just going to cut a little bit, and you might want a sharper knife than this. And then you're going to cut it in half. So, and then you want to cut it right down the middle. And now that you have that, it's very slimy. You're going to take a spoon or knife, whichever one you want to do, and you're just going to scrape it out like that. And make sure to have a bowl. So then you can put that stuff in the bowl. So, and then you're gonna put it in your bowl. There's lots of it. And then you're gonna take it and you're gonna really mash up the gross little blobs. And so after you're gonna be done with that, which might take a while, I'm just gonna go with my hands because they're already clean. And then, so after you're done with that, you're gonna take half of a tablespoon of honey, and I'm just gonna kind of scoop it and eyeball it. And then you're gonna mix it all up after. And might take a while. And then you're just gonna apply evenly to your face, and don't be afraid to get gross, because it's not the best texture. And then leave on your face for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off, and do not get it in your mouth or on lips. It's very bitter, trust me. The health benefits are it gets rid of acne, it helps with sunburn, and gets rid of scar tissue, and it helps to get rid of cystic acne, and it's anti-aging. And you're just gonna wash it off with warm water.